If you're a nurse who's been sent home early or had shifts canceled lately, you're not alone. Across the U.S., hospitals are tightening budgets, cutting overtime, and canceling low census shifts. Why? Because patient volumes dip in early fall, before flu and RSV season peaks. Some hospitals also overhired after the pandemic, but now those numbers don't match the current need. Restructuring is happening too. Units are merging, staff are cross-training, and low-volume areas are closing temporarily. In states like North Carolina, seasonal trends hit hard. Volumes drop in fall, then surge in winter. So what can nurses do? Cross-train for busier units. Pick up shifts at sister facilities. Track canceled hours and talk to your manager. And if you need flexibility, PRN or per diem might help. You're not alone, you're not invisible, and your work still matters.